Okay, here we are at room 14722. This is a spa balcony on the NCL Breakaway. This is actually our first time on a balcony room. And this is a couch. And what's good about the spa balcony is you have access to the thermal spa. As long as you're on the cruise ship and it's open, you have access all the time. And you just have to pay for it in your room fare. And it's definitely a worthwhile investment. Okay, let me find it up. I found a light switch. You need to put your card in this device here on the Breakaway to turn all the electrical in your room. And this is a makeup and do not disturb. And a couple of coat pegs for your hat, coat, anything else you want to hang from it. And a full-size mirror with lights above. It has a European and regular outlet, which is a US outlet, and the light switch is right below where the water is located. It does not have USB ports, so you might want to bring a adapter to help you out with that. This is the refrigerator and the hair dryer next to it, and a little basket. There is items in your fridge that if you do drink it, they will charge your room. So if you don't want to, just take it out and put it off the side, have your room steward take it from you. And there's some water that the Latitude Department gave us for being silver Latitude members. So we're going to span the bed. It's between about a queen to king size bed. Lights off to each side of it. There's a little rack in the back for magazines, and a picture of the couch, and the nice little nightstands on each side. And it does have the control for the light switch on the lights. And it does have ample amount of storage for your clothes, anything else you want to store underneath there. TV, it does not come out all the way, but it does angle to towards the couch. And the closet has plenty of room if you're just two people. Plenty of room to hang up all your pants and your shirts, and shelves to put the rest of your clothes, anything else you want to put in there, and a safe for your valuables. All right, we're going to head over into the bathroom now. This is a good sized bathroom, but first I'm going to show you the device that is for your heat and AC. We will be turning that very high on the AC because we will be going to the Western Caribbean. And this is the bathroom. It's a good size. Sink, glasses on the side, which is a pretty cool holder. It keeps them steady when the ship is rocking back and forth. Toilet. And decent sized showers, enough room in the shower for me to move around. I'm about 5'11", so it was plenty of room. Unfortunately, it did not have a whole lot of pressure. It does have a handheld, which did help out quite a bit, and it has the dispensers for your shampoo and body wash. These are toiletries from the spa. If you do have the spa room, they do give you toiletries, shampoo, conditioner, a hat, and a little puffy. And in the bathroom, it does have dispensers for the hand soap, conditioner, and body wash. But we're going to head over to the best part of this room, which is the balcony. It does have two chairs, a table. We're actually in the Miami cruise port. That's just a view of the cruise port. But when we are cruising, we're going to see nothing but water, which is nice. And I want to thank you very much for watching this video. And we're going to end it looking at the NCL cruise terminal.